In this video I want to share a 3D printed bee house that I actually designed myself. As you can see, it's shaped like the American flag. I printed it in Darkwood PLA from Priline. The filament's actually infused with wood fibers. Here's the 3D model in Cura, getting ready to slice for printing, and I'll actually show the layers here in Cura to start, and then switch over to time-lapse on the 3D printer. Alright, the print's all done. I'm using the cardboard tubes that'll be for the bees to actually push through and get rid of some of the stringing that was down the holes and on the insides of the model, and check the fit, which it worked pretty well. So this was a simplistic and fun design to learn some 3D modeling software. I also did some research on managing and building a bee house, and I'll include information in the video description along with some links for more information.